Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today. We're gonna make a hard cheese. I know I have another one on the channel, but we're making another hard cheese. I really like this one too. The first thing you do is soak a half of a cup of raw cashews in a half a cup of water for 5 minutes. When that's done, pour it into your blender. I soak the cashews because I found that it makes it creamier, makes the mixture creamier. And I just like that. So you can or cannot. You can do this way before you get started with the rest of the things. The rest of it is just dumping everything in. You're going to put 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast in. Get it all. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon of miso. And I know you're thinking, well, isn't miso the salt? It is, but in this recipe, I think you need a little bit more. This is 1.5 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. And this is 1/4 teaspoon of both onion powder and garlic powder. Now, I always use granulated garlic and granulated onion, but at this point, you're gonna blend until it's nice and smooth. Blend for at least 30 seconds. You can do it longer, but it gets it nice and creamy. This is your last step. Take 2/3 of a cup of water, come to your stove, bring it to the boil, then pour in 2.5 tablespoons of agar powder, okay? Until it thickens. This is gonna happen really fast, so be aware of that. Stir this water, pour in the agar powder, and turn the heat down. And you want to stir rapidly and kind of get it smooth. Okay, this is good. Clean it out of the whisk because you want to get all of the agar powder. It's thick, thick, thick. And this is what's going to make your cheese really firm. Okay, then blend it up for another 30 seconds. It's thick now, but it's going to get thicker. You want to put it into a mold. I just used a ceramic bowl that I have, and I lined it with parchment paper. It's going to have all those wrinkles in it. If you don't want that, you can either get a cheese mold, I guess, or use a little oil. I don't really use oil, but you could do that. You want to smooth it out as much as you can, and it's going to get really hard. I usually take this little bit that's left because you know I got to get it all, and I put it in another mold because it's too much for that one. But you decide. Get a mold that's big enough to handle all of it. So it's the next day, and I'm going to unveil the cheese. I took it out of the refrigerator. It's been in there overnight. There it is. It's kind of wrinkled because of the paper, and I'm going to cut it so you can see how firm it is. It's very firm. There it is. And I'm going to bite it. It's got a good texture. It's got a very good taste. And it's nice and firm. With that, that's the end of the video. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to leave me comments below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And let me know what you think of the video. And then after you make it, let me know what you think of the cheese. Okay? So until next time, troopers. Bye for now.